Joining us now is Ian, and he is with Truffly Made. Truffly Made. So I thought you were going to bring us mushrooms, but no, the other kind of truffles, right?
Absolutely.
Okay, tell us about your beautiful company and why you decided to create these molds.
So first of all, thank you for having me on the show. It's a real pleasure to be here. So here with Truffly Made, we manufacture silicone molds, as you can see in front of you. We also manufacture equipment, machinery. So different type, very small one for home use, all the way to a huge one for industrial use. So we started back in 2012, 13. And initially, our molds were only for chocolates, like chocolate truffles, chocolate bonbons, all type of chocolate bars. Ultimately, down the road, we improved our molds and our machinery to be able to do high heat temperature products, such as gummies, caramel, hard candy, taffy, and even non-edible products, such as soap, wax candles, and other lotions. We have many.
So for both consumers, right, as well as commercial use,
Absolutely.
these molds can do both, or are
Yes.
some for soap and some are for candy, or you could use them for anything you want as long as you wash them well.
So the molds are for universal use.
Okay.
So you can freeze, you can bake with it, and it can be used for any type of product. So it can be edible or non-edible product.
What about art pieces? Like little pieces of jewelry. Like, can you put like resin in it?
Absolutely.
Or you can?
Yes.
That's amazing.
Yes.
Okay, so silicone, a lot of people don't understand what it is, but it is really pliable. And so instead of having like a hard mold, right, these things can roll up, right?
Yes,
You can store them a
absolutely.
lot easier.
They're very flexible, so you can literally fold them if you want to, and also very sturdy. It's really, really sturdy.
So instead of like a laser fight, we could have like a, a truffle mold fight and just like throw
Absolutely.
truffle molds at each other.
Yes.
And you have different shapes, right? So you've
Yes.
got cubes. Tell us the different shapes that you have.
So this is just a few that we have here, but we have about 50 different shape, from cubes, cylinders, disc, dice, you name it. We also offer custom molds. So any clients who want something very specific in matter of shape, in matter of size, if they want their logo, we could do a custom mold, Donna Drake show, for example, using your logo.
Ian, can we do that?
Absolutely.
That would be fun. Because then
It's
like
very
next year,
simple
my
to do for
cookie
us.
exchange or something, I could like make something in like these
We
little
could do
things.
even
and
a cookie shape,
Love
like
that.
something larger with
Okay.
your logo in it.
Let's do it. I'm down with
Let's
that.
do it.
Ian, let's do it. So one of the things that I also noticed is you have two different books as well.
Yes.
So what are the books? Recipes?
Absolutely. So we developed our consulting chef. So we have a consulting chef and a chemist also who developed recipe for our clients who are perfectly designed to work with our machinery and mold. So here, those are just a couple standardized recipes, gelatin gummies and pectin gummies. The main difference is pectin being vegan.
Okay.
So this is very trendy right now. Many people, it's vegan, it's natural. It also has a better mouthfeel. It's not as chewy like a gelatin gummy will be. So those are two books we developed. We also have other books in development for recipes for caramel, hard candies, taffy, etc.
I do like caramel. I really do. Yeah. It's definitely like my sweet tooth. And also like sea salt caramel.
Yes.
So
Yeah, this
so
is
lovely.
beautiful.
What type of family did you grow up in? Did you grow up in a family that were entrepreneurs or inventors, or how did you come up with this?
So not at all. I'm originally from France, from the east part of France, and I grew up. My family was not in the industry at all, or any industry I worked in my life. But I was an actual confectioner, pastry chef for 15 years back in Europe, in France. And 10, 12 years ago, actually, I moved in the USA, mainly to help bakers and pastry chefs to launch or start their project. And long story short, I ended up now manufacturing machineries and molds. So I'm still in the same field, but I'm just not making it anymore.
What is the most creative thing that you have made with your molds? What is like the piece de resistance? Like, what is your favorite moment?
What I do really enjoy is sometimes I design molds myself.
Okay.
So I will be on one-on-one with a client on the phone or FaceTime, and we will just brainstorm live, and I will actually draw myself the design what the client is telling me, and then show, and then go through different mock-ups. And so I really enjoy doing that. It's very funny, and sometimes, and then the most rewarding is down the road when you see the actual gummy, for example, being sold in a store in the shape of the drawing that you created.
There
So
it
this is
is.
really rewarding.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Yes.
That's so exciting. Could be for anything. I'm going to the toy convention. Could be like toys.
We can
Could be
do
anything.
anything.
You can do
Literally.
anything with these
Yeah.
molds.
Any size, any shape.
I love that. And you know, even I guess you could use them for ice cubes too.
Ice
right?
cubes, absolutely. Yep,
Homemade, just plain chocolate. You could like
Plain
put them into hot
chocolate.
cocoa and just pop it in.
you can.
I'm so excited to know you, Ian. I really am. This is totally, I shared with you, my grandparents sold candy for a living, but my brother Michael works for a candy company, and he's actually on the line in St. Louis, Missouri.
Well, let's
you know?
connect.
Yeah, I'm gonna definitely connect you. I know people, you know people. This could be great. It could be like
Absolutely.
Truffly Made in heaven.
Yep.
Thank you, Ian. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
If you have a product or an invention and you want me to know about it, reach out to us. If you are a candy maker, you've always wanted to be a candy maker, or for any of the applications Ian just shared with you, buy these molds. They're really cool. Thanks for watching.